The 2026 Ford Crown Victoria marks a bold return of an iconic nameplate, reimagined for the modern era. This full-size sedan blends traditional American presence with updated design and technology, making it a compelling choice for those seeking comfort, space, and road presence. The exterior retains the boxy, commanding stance that defined the original Crown Vic, but with sleeker lines, LED lighting, and refined detailing. The rear end is particularly striking with its wide LED taillights connected by a chrome strip, and dual exhausts integrated neatly into the bumper, adding a sense of sophistication. Inside, the Crown Victoria surprises with its spacious, premium cabin. High-quality materials, a leather-wrapped dashboard, and chrome accents reflect Ford's push toward a more luxurious experience. The seating is plush and supportive, with ample legroom both in the front and rear, making it ideal for long highway drives or executive transport. The large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a digital instrument cluster offers customizable driving information. Ambient lighting and a premium audio system complete the upscale feel. Under the hood, the 2026 Crown Victoria is expected to feature a range of powertrains, including a smooth V6 and an optional hybrid system aimed at improving fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease, while the chassis provides a stable, confident ride. Though not sporty, the car feels solid and composed, particularly on highways where it truly shines. Ford has equipped the new Crown Victoria with a full suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These systems enhance both safety and convenience, particularly for urban and long-distance driving. Overall, the 2026 Ford Crown Victoria successfully bridges its historic legacy with contemporary demands. It's a full-size sedan that delivers presence, comfort, and tech-savvy features in a balanced package. Whether used as a family car, executive cruiser, or even a fleet vehicle, the Crown Vic's return is both nostalgic and forward-thinking, a rare combination in today's automotive landscape.